Hi guys, it's Deirdre here with Minard's Leisure World. I'm going to take you through the 2025 Wolf Pup 17JWBL. This is our black label version of the 17JW. I will touch on a few of the differences that you get in the upgraded model. First thing being fiberglass. But starting off on the front, we have our power tongue jack, our 120-pound propane tank, and where your battery is going to be housed that we provide for you. Come on down this way and we'll check out some of our storage. Tons of room in there, and that is also where your solar charge controller is located. We have 4 manual stab jacks in all 4 corners of this unit. We are coming in just under the 24-foot mark at 23'11" and about 4,400 pounds dry. Black automotive glass door, our large extended grab handle, your solid steps that just flip up on inside, so we don't have to worry about all that gunk that builds up on them as they are tucked underneath as you're traveling. We have nice frameless windows, which is part of the upgraded package in our black label version. We are provided with a little pup kitchen, what they call a pup kitchen anyway. It is our little mini fridge on the outside. Our outside speakers are located right here. You have a TV backer on the outside that is easy enough to take from the inside, pops on out here, watch the game outside. All of your TV hookups are there. Large awning, you can see that nice blue light strip in there. As we come down right at the very end, leash latch provided for you to tie up man's best friend, as well as access to some storage directly underneath of the bottom bunk. This bunk will flip up and latch out of place if you wanted to bring a small bike, or if you needed just that little bit of vertical space. All right, you guys, we are around back here. You see we have our rugged 15-inch tire mounted off on the bumper. The bumper also acts as your sewer hose storage. And Cherokee is one of the only manufacturers that I know of right now that provide a backup camera. We have made it inside the 17JWBL. Control panel directly off on the left as you enter. Awning, slide, battery, tanks, everything is directly up there. We will start in here with our sleeping area. We have an RV size queen bed here. 2 windows on opposing sides, so lots of natural air, lots of natural light coming in. This is your TV backer that I said was easily movable to the outside, as well as your hookups directly up on the roof. Up top, we even have some overhead storage. 2 doors there, lots of room, spans the entire length there. Underneath of the bed is another access point to the outside where you can shove all your stuff, so you don't have to go crawling in the entire cubby to grab something from the very back. Easily accessible directly underneath of the bed. At the head of the bed there is, let me just move these pillows out of the way, there is a little bit of a headboard type flat surface. There is room for a CPAP. There's also your bedside inverter there specifically for those kind of things, as well as some USB charging ports directly off on the side there. Over here, we have our large U-shaped dinette. Breaks down into a really nice size sleeping area if you have somebody extra staying over. Nice large window at the back. USB plugins are there as well. You get 2 full extension drawers for even more storage. Directly across from our booth is our kitchen area. So one of the things that comes with the black label version and are upgraded is solid surface countertops. So they're very, very crisp. They have a large sink down there with the solid countertop insert, as well as your residential pull down faucet. Up top here we have your stereo system controls. It is Bluetooth, so hook your phone up to that. Play your little heart out. There is some storage up top there for your plates, as well as some flat storage and a little bit of access to your plumbing directly down below. Into the cooking portion, you can see we have no bread box. We get a drawer, our 2-burner cooktop, as well as your microwave up top there. All right, we have made it to our 10 cubic foot fridge freezer. Lots of room in there. It's nice and lit, as well as the freezer. Come check that out. Nice and deep. All the hot dogs and hamburgers that your little heart could even desire. But you have the kids up in the bunks here. If the kids are hungry, they can easily come at the fridge from the other direction. They don't have to even leave the bunk if they didn't want to. But time to touch on the bunks here. They have new mattresses this year, so we don't have that little foam. We've got some nice quilted mattresses. Again, that is your outside access to the storage underneath of the bottom bunk. Each child will get their own USB plug-in spot up there, so all the electronics will be charged. Popping into the bathroom here, we have a foot flush toilet, the tub shower combo that is step-in. We get the nice fan up top there. I should also note in the shower is another form of our upgraded package is our shower accessories. All right, you guys, thank you for joining me on our walkthrough of the 2025 Wolf Pup 17JWBL. Again, we are coming in just under the 24-foot mark and just over 4,400 pounds dry. If you have any other questions in regard to this unit or something else we might have on our lot, please visit us at minersleisureworld.com.